Okay, so first of all, we will see uh, update statement. Okay, update statement.
Update.
So update statement actually used to update the values from a like update statement is used to update a value in a table from old value to a new value. Okay,
Okay.
like there is like in the table you see there are many values inserted. I want to update it to a newer value. So for that we use update statement in SQL. So the syntax of update statement is update table set column equals to updated value where condition. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So could you please run the students table TB underscore students? This is not the students table. Okay, you are running the details underscore employees table. Run that.
Sorry. But this is showing only one row.
Mm, okay, write it from your end. So, okay, run line number 49.
Yeah, we can. Yeah, it is okay.
Yeah. So in TB underscore students, I want to update, uh, let's say, like the name Gaurav from, I want to update the name Gaurav to Saurav. Okay. Like
Okay.
wherever Gaurav is given, I want to update it to Saurav. Okay.
Okay.
So for that, you have to write update. So update comes under which SQL sublanguage? Can you tell me?
DDL,
No, no, no.
DMS,
DML.
DML. Why it
This
is
is
come under DML?
data manipulation language. It's like it is not a like there is no reason. You just have to remember that under DML we have uh, select, update, uh, insert, delete. These four things. Select, update, insert, and delete. Okay.
Okay. Select, insert, delete. Okay.
Uh, so write update TB underscore student set name equals to Saurav. Put Saurav under double quotes
Sorry, sorry.
where ID equals to 4.
where ID is
Okay,
equal
so
to.
we have, yeah, so because like we want to update the name to Saurav for this particular row where ID equals to 4. Okay,
Okay.
now you run this.
It is
Okay.
showing.
So the first time when you run this update statement, it will show this error. That is,
Okay.
it will tell you to uncheck the safe update mode. Okay. So for that you have to go to uh, edit option in the top left. Can you go there? Select the edit option in the top left. Uh, Go to preferences at the last. No, no, in edit option you have preferences. First you go to the edit option. Okay, fine, fine. You have got the preferences. Now go to SQL editor. Huh. Just scroll down. Yeah, so untick that safe update dialog box. Yeah, click OK. Now close this entire SQL window and reopen it. Yeah, reopen it. Okay, you right. You select that db underscore practice because this is under db underscore practice database. Okay, so I think you have selected it. Just write the query again. Update
Okay. Just,
db underscore students. No, update table. First you have to write update the table name. So you have to write the name of the table, that is db underscore students.
set
Set name equals to Gaurav. Sorry, name equals to
as
Saurav.
I
Yes. Where id equals to 8, isn't it?
okay.
Where id equals to 8. Where not where equals
Sorry,
to 8.
sorry, sorry, sorry,
Where
sorry.
id equals to 8. So see, when you write a mistake, when you do a mistake, you will see a red color sign appearing below that. word. Okay, so understand, whenever this red color line appears, it means that you are doing something mistake.
Mistake.
Like you had written where equals to 8, so you'll, if you write where equals to 8 only, you see this red color underline appears, it means there is something mistake near that point. Okay.
Okay.
uh, so where id equals to 8, now you run this.
Yeah.
So zero rows affected. Now again you run select star from tb underscore students to see the changes which is made after using update statement. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. We have replaced name or no, we have not replaced name.
No. What here in update table, set name equals to Saurav where id equals to 8.
Not 8 4.
No, you have to write where id equals to 4,
Yeah,
not
that's
8. Now you run this.
yeah. It is appearing. We have replaced name sort of instead of column.
Share your screen.
Yes, sir.
So I was telling this where clause is very important in update statement, because if you don't write this where clause, then all the values of that particular column will get updated. For example, if you don't write where clause in line number 56, then all the names will be updated to Saurabh. Okay.
Okay. All the names.
Yeah, all the names. Because if you don't write where clause, then you are not giving the conditions.
You are not giving the condition.
So
Okay.
it will update all the names in the table. So always be careful that you should use where clause along with update statement to tell the compiler that which specific row it needs to update. Okay. Did you understand?
Yeah, I got it. Your point.
Now, if I ask some more questions, like I want you to update the date of birth of uh, no, so all the dates of date of birth are 20, just leave it. So
State.
update the ID from 3 to 6 for uh, all the rows which is having the name Mahesh. Okay. So you have to update the ID from 3 to 6. You have to update the ID. So update table name set ID equals to 6. No, you don't need to write what you're writing. ID equals to ID. Why?
Sorry. Right. 3 to 6.
Yeah. So you have to write 6 over there. The updated value, the new value. Then write where name equals to Mahesh. Again, you're writing the same wrong statement where name equals to Mahesh. You have to enclose the name within double quotes. No, why do you forget these
Sure,
things?
sure.
So see here, wait. In line number 58, you can find a red mark beneath the update word. Can you see this?
Yeah, I can see this update.
So do you know why it is showing a red mark over here?
There is something wrong with this. Update is not valid at this position.
No, because in the previous line you haven't terminated the line. Like you haven't used semicolon in line number 57. That's why.
Line number 56. Semicolon.
57, 57.
Semicolon, right? Yeah, okay.
Now it's okay. No? Now you run line number 58. Yes, it's done. Now you run the table TB underscore students.
Now select star from TV and students. Why? No. No, sir, it is showing error.
Just select that because
Students
you're
dot.
writing the wrong name of the table. TB underscore students is there. You're writing only student. That's why. So what we have updated here, the
Yeah,
ID from
ID
3 to 6.
three to
You see?
six.
Yeah. So first it was 3. Now we have updated it to 6, where the
Six.
name is Mahesh. Okay.
Okay.
Understood.
Yeah, understood. But there is a question because यहाँ पर मैंने स्टूडेंट के आगे एस नहीं लगाया तो ये कैसे एग्जीक्यूट हो गया.
नहीं नहीं नहीं. Earlier you hadn't put S. So that is wrong. That will not get executed. If you try right now, that will not get executed
Oh,
because the table name is TB underscore students. So you have to write the correct spelling of the table name. Okay.
okay. Okay.
Understood.
Yeah, understood.
Now, uh, if we want to update multiple rows, for example, I want to update the state for ID 1, 6, and 5 to um, let's say Punjab. I want to update the ID 1,
six
6,
five
and 5 to Punjab.
job.
So I want to update the state for ID 1, 6, and 5 to Punjab. Can you write the syntax for that?
Multiple states.
Why are you writing select? I want to update it, no? So
So ID.
no, what I want to update. Listen the question. I want to update the states to Punjab, wherever the ID is 1, 6, and 5. Understood the question?
Yeah. Update
So
Punjab
what will
where
you
the
write?
ID
What will you
165.
write? No. Update table set column equals to updated value. So what is the updated value here? Punjab. So that is the thing we have to write. Update table name set state equals to Punjab. Set state equals to Punjab, not set equals to Punjab. Again, you are not giving double quotation in Punjab. What data type is Punjab? You have to understand these things, no? Where
Where ID
ID.
is equal to
So now what will you
165.
write? How will you write?
One
Now it should be either 1 or 6 or 5. So which operator is used to represent multiple or characters?
or
I have told you this.
operator.
No. If there are multiple or conditions, which operator we can use here? You remember I have told you about in operator, in operator.
Yeah, in operator.
So write where ID in not equals to in, where ID in. Now give a bracket. You write 1 comma 6 comma 5. Close the bracket. Give a semicolon and run this. Okay, now you run this select star from TV underscore.
Punjab.
You understand? Punjab. Now tell me what's the confusion you are getting here in this update statement. Why, like, is there any issue to write the update statement?
No, sir.
Okay, so update the table. Uh, update the you know mobile number to like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, wherever the name is Ram in this table. Okay, understood the question? Like
Yeah.
for Ram, you have to update its mobile number to 1 to 9. That is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9.
Okay.
Yeah. So do it.
Students. Set. Set. Mobile number
Hmm.
is equal to 9549.
No, no, no. You have to write the updated value here. No.
Updated values.
Why you are writing the original value? You have to write the updated value. What was the question? Tell me.
We have to update it. No, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 instead of mobile number 9549076699. Where ID 12645.
What? No, no, no. This was not the question. I had told you that you have to update the mobile number of Ram to one two three
Sorry,
four five six seven eight nine.
Ram.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm. Now you run the table. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, it is updated.
Understood how to use update statement. Yeah. Do you want to revise whatever we have studied, or you want to move ahead with some other topics? Tell me.
I want to revise, sir. From tomorrow we
Okay.
will start new topic.
So I'm stopping the class till here only. You have to revise till update statement, and whatever we have seen yesterday, that is wildcard characters and the date function.
Date
Revise those
function.
things. Okay,
Okay.
so that it is easy for you to remember the things well. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, there is a thing. How can I practice, to because
Okay. Mm-hmm. You open a Google Chrome, you
okay,
write SQL Bolt in there. SQL Bolt.
SQL board.
Yeah. Mm. Open the first website. So in the top right corner, can you see this interactive tutorial?
Yeah,
Yeah. So if from here you can do the first lesson, uh, the fourth lesson also you can do. So this is the first lesson. See, uh, there will be some questions given over there in the bottom. Go down.
yeah. Exercise first. Find the title of each film.
Uh, so,
Find the director of each film. Find out.
so
Okay, so I can
yeah.
practice from
So you have to write the answers in this box given below, and you have to, after you write the answer, you will get an option to execute it. If your answer is correct, then against exercise one you get a, like, against the question number one you get a tick mark. If your answer
okay,
is not correct, you will not get a tick mark. Okay.
okay, okay,
And if you get stuck anywhere, if you feel that you are not able to land up to the right answer, you can see the solution by clicking the solution bar in the bottom. Okay.
okay,
And even if you don't understand from the solutions, you can ask me. I'll explain you. Okay.
okay, okay. I will practice.
Yes. So you can practice it from here. So you can do question as lesson exercise one, exercise three. Open it. Open that interactive tutorial part in upper right corner. I will tell you which exercise you can do as of now.
Yeah, just a minute, sir.
Yeah. So you can do exercise lesson one, lesson four,
Lesson four,
and lesson this five, that is simple select queries. Okay.
five. Simple select. And then inserting row,
Okay. You
updating
just
row,
do it
deleting
this.
row. No, no, no. Okay,
Uh, yeah, you can do lesson 13 also and lesson 14 also. Updating rows. I have explained update statement right now. So 13, 14 also you can do, and 16 also you can do. Okay.
60. Yeah, get
So which
it.
exercise you have to do? Lesson one,
Four,
lesson four, lesson five,
five,
13, 14, and 16. Okay.
13, 13, yeah, 16. Okay,
13, 14, and 16. Okay. You complete it by tomorrow. Okay.
okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir. You too. Yeah, product. Flowers.
Florist. Okay.
Please,
Could you please uh, run that table, florist?
okay.
Okay. So could you please arrange the table in the descending order of the price?
select the stars from uh, all the way. Yeah, descending
Okay.
orders.
Okay. Now, so today we'll study limit and offset. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Like when to use limit and when to use offset, like how to use them to find out, let's say, the third highest priced product or the second lowest price product. So like questions will be like this only. Okay. So uh, you can write it down in a notebook. So limit function is used to uh, limit the number of rows which you want to see from the top.
Limit function is used to
Is used to limit or to fetch the number of rows of a table you want to see from the top. So limit function is used to uh, limit
fetch.
the
Uh,
number of rows you want to see from the top. Okay.
okay,
Let's say, for example, I want you to fetch the top five result of this florist table. So how can you fetch the top five result of this florist table?
top five results.
Yeah,
Limit or offset
no, you have to use limit here.
here.
So how can you write? In the last class I have told, but again
Sorry,
I'm telling.
yeah, you told, but I didn't get that time, so that's why
Okay,
I
okay.
told you revise that topic.
So this limit and offset is used at the end of the SQL query. Okay, at the
Okay,
last of the SQL query. So first you'll write the query to fetch the entire table, and at the end you'll have to write limit 5 to fetch the top 5 result.
okay, limit
Okay.
five. Okay,
Yeah. So write it down.
we will not use where now, where clause.
Limit, not limit equals to 5. Limit 5, just limit 5. Okay, so this is the syntax of
Okay,
limit.
syntax. Okay,
So similarly, you can calculate top 2 result, top 3 result, top n result. Okay,
okay.
you can run this line and see the top 5 results.
Top five results. Yeah, in ascending orders, now
No, you have just fetched the top 5 result as it is,
as it
like
is.
as it is
Okay,
what as it was given in the original table.
original table. Okay,
Okay, so we haven't arranged it in ascending or descending order, because in order to arrange the table in ascending or descending order, you have to use order by.
order by.
We
Okay,
haven't used order by here. Okay, we have just written simply select star from florist limit 5. So
Okay.
that will just fetch the top 5 result as it is.
As it is.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And now similarly, if I ask you to fetch the details of the top 3 highest priced product, can you write it?
Top three. Okay.
Top
Yeah.
3
We will use order by,
highest
right?
priced product. Right, right.
5. Top 5, na sir.
You are missing something, Abhishek.
Just a
Just
minute.
see and figure out
Just
what mistake you have done.
select star from select star. Top 5.
Yeah, top 5.
Ascending. We will use AS.
No, no, no. You will not use ascending.
Top 5.
What was the question? Tell me.
We have to find out top 5 values.
What top 5 values? Like, tell me this specific exact question.
So, sir, you told me we have to fetch top 5 values uh, for a column.
No, no. See, ID column also contains values. Name column also contains values. Category column also contain values.
Right,
Price
right.
column also
Yeah.
contain values. So according to which column you want to fetch the top 5 results?
Price.
Price. So was it highest priced product or lowest priced product? Top 3 highest priced product or top 3 lowest priced product was the question.
Top 3 highest.
Ah,
Yeah.
so
So descending. Sorry.
no, no, no. So you haven't mentioned the column name. Can you see that?
Oh yeah, column name. So that only we will recognize, right?
Yeah, right. Write that.
It's,
Again, you are missing something. Wait, wait, wait. This is not the right answer. You forgot to write one more thing after
select
price.
star.
Order by price descending.
Yeah, descending. Sorry, descending.
Now it is correct. Okay.
Yeah, top 5 for descending. Select star from florist. Order by uh, price descending limit. Okay. Select
Okay.
florist. Uh,
So can you also fetch the uh, top 4 lowest priced product
okay.
quickly?
Limit 2. 3 na sir?
Top
Top.
lowest, like you have to fetch the
Lowest
uh,
5
the
values. 4 values.
lowest
Okay.
4 price product.
Price product. Okay. Is it right?
I told 4. You are writing 5. Okay. So you use you have, I think you have understood how and when to use limit.
Yeah, I
Okay.
have understood very well.
Now, if we use like when do we use offset along with limit? You need to understand this. Okay. So you write it down, like if you like whenever you need to find let's say fourth highest salary, third highest salary, sixth highest salary, or like this type of things, third lowest salary or fourth lowest salary. It means I'm just telling salary for example. You can be uh, fourth lowest price, third lowest price. Okay.
Okay.
So in that case, you use limit and offset. So what is offset? Offset is like whatever number you associate with offset, that number of rows will get skipped from the top.
From
So
the
you
top.
write the number associated with offset. You write the number associated with offset.
Set. Yes, sir. Go ahead. Number of set.
Uh, the number associated with offset signifies that that
See,
number of rows will get skipped from the top.
number will get skip.
Okay, the number associated with offset signifies that that number of rows will get skipped
Skip
from the top.
from the top. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So,
In the next line, you can write uh, offset is executed first and then limit is executed. So first offset will be executed and then limit will be executed. Okay.
okay.
So first offset will get executed and then limit will get executed.
Executed.
So so first the rows will get skipped, means you will ignore those number of rows from the top, and
From the
then you
top.
will consider limit function. Okay.
Limit function. Okay.
Now for
Okay.
example, if I ask you to find uh the product which is having fourth highest price, the details of the product which is having the fourth highest price,
Price.
only the fourth highest price I just want. I don't want any other price product, just the fourth highest price product. So there will be only one row in the answer. Okay.
Okay.
So write the answer for that.
Select limit.
You write what should be written with, write it down.
Uh, Select limit.
Just write and when have you seen limit used just after select?
No, no, just select from florist.
No, so whatever I have made you write in your notebook, did you understood what is the meaning of that?
Not limit. Offset will be executed first, and then limit will be executed.
Yeah. So what is offset? Let's say if I write offset 2. So what does that mean?
A number of row will get skipped from the top. Means
So how
you
many if
are
I write? If I write offset 2, then how many number of rows will get skipped?
One row.
Why?
Number
Offset 2 means two rows will be skipped. Okay.
second row will be
Why are you getting confused? It is very simple.
no, it is very
If
simple.
you write
Please,
offset 2,
please, sir. Mm, tell me your question again.
okay, I am just the question was you have to find the fourth highest product,
Four.
means the product having the fourth highest price.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Four highest
See, out of these
price.
all products, there must be a product which is having the highest price, isn't it? That
Yeah.
is Orchid. Can you see in the table? Orchid is having the highest price.
Yeah.
The second
Purchase.
highest price is of Guitar, that
Guitar.
is 300. Third highest product is
120.
Flute,
That fruit. Yeah, fruit.
Flute.
156.
And then the fourth highest product is Desk.
Desk.
So I want to fetch the product which is having the fourth highest price. Okay, so you have to write the query for that using limit and offset. So what will you write here? How will you use it? So if you write limit, if you write what is the meaning of limit 3? What is the meaning of, okay, you tell me what is the meaning of limit 1?
What is the limit one? Fetch number
Just in
of
general,
row.
I'm asking.
No, just
So how
fetch.
many rows will be fetched? How many number of
No,
rows will be fetched if you write limit 1 at the end of us at the end of a query?
only one.
Yeah. So limit 1 means one row will be fetched.
One. Yeah. Highest.
Okay.
Fourth highest price.
No, I'm just asking you generally.
Okay.
I'm not discussing the question right now. I'm just explaining you limit and offset. Okay. What if I write offset 1? What
What?
does that mean? At the end of the query,
Hmm.
what does that mean if you write offset 1? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. I am able to hear you.
So offset 1 means one row from the top will get skipped. Means you have to ignore that row.
Okay.
Okay. Offset 2 means two rows from the top will get skipped.
Oh,
Okay, isn't
two.
it
Yeah.
simple?
Yeah. Yeah. Offset.
Okay. Now, if I have to find fourth highest salary, if I have to find the fourth highest salary, then after arranging the table in descending order, okay, if you arrange the table in the descending order, the
Okay.
first row will have which order of the salary?
Fourth.
No, 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 no. If you are arranging the table in the descending order of the price,
Yeah.
okay,
Okay. Okay.
then the first row will have,
Yeah. Or seed.
no, you are not getting the question. I am saying if you arrange the table in the descending order of the price, then the first row will be having the maximum price, isn't it?
Right.
The second row will be having the second maximum price,
Right.
second highest price. The third row will be having the third
Go price.
highest price because you have arranged the row in descending order of the price.
Yeah.
So how many rows you need to skip in order to fetch the fourth highest price?
Three.
Three. Okay.
Yeah.
So what number you will write with offset?
Three.
Three. And what number you will write with limit?
One.
One. So write it down. You have answered my question, all the answers. You have
Okay.
answered all my questions. So you write the answer.
So first will be execute offset.
Means offset gets executed first, but you don't need to write offset first. First
Okay.
in means when you are writing the query, you have to write limit first and then offset. But when you are executing, the compiler will execute offset first and then limit will be executed by the compiler. Okay.
Okay.
I
Automatically.
meant that. Yeah. So you write the query. Where have you seen equal to used after limit? When have I told
Sorry.
you to use equal to after limit?
Yeah, I forgot. And now
Okay.
offset. We will write offset.
Just now you told that for fetching the fourth highest salary, you have to
Sorry.
use offset 3 and limit 1. Okay.
Sorry. Now we will write offset.
Yeah, but you don't need to give comma. Comma is not required over there. Just give a space and write. Yeah. This is the syntax. Remember the syntax.
That is a syntax. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
Offset 3.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So this was the fourth highest salary, fourth highest price. Okay.
Nice.
So another way to remember is that like you are calculating the fourth the product having the fourth highest price. Okay, and you have written limit 1 offset 3. If you add 1 plus 3, it comes out to be 4, and
Four.
you are also finding fourth highest salary. So means in this way you can check. Okay, so 1 plus 3 is 4, isn't it? It is giving fourth highest salary
1 plus
as
3.
the output.
The limit
Understood?
plus and offset. Understood.
Yes, yes. So similarly, if I ask you to write the query for finding the fifth lowest salary, can you do it?
Fifth
Fifth lowest product based on the
lowest.
price. Fifth lowest product based on the price. The product having the fifth lowest price.
Fifth lowest price. Okay. I try. Okay.
Yeah.
Fifth. Limit 1.
Hmm.
Fifth offset.
Yes.
Offset 4.
Write it down. So understood. Okay.
Okay.
Again, do one more thing. Write a query to fetch seventh highest salary.
Seventh highest salary.
I mean to say, when I'm just by mistake I'm saying salary, but the product having the seventh highest price.
Yeah, price. Limit one.
Hmm. So you listen the question
Sorry,
carefully.
sorry.
I asked you to,
DESC. Sorry,
huh.
price. Because we are 6.
Yeah.
So there is a confusion.
Okay. Ask me.
Uh, we have executed 3 queries. So there is a common thing, na? Limit one, limit one, limit one. So each and every query we will write limit one.
So the question was in the last three questions, I just asked you to fetch only a single row,
Only a
isn't it?
single row. Yeah, is it okay?
Be it fourth highest price, or be it fifth lowest price, or be it seventh highest price. But the result which I needed was only a single row. So whenever you need a
Only single
result
row
in which
in
you
single row.
need only a single row, then you have to use limit one. For example, again, if I ask you to fetch like the fourth and the fifth highest salary,
Fourth and fifth
yeah,
highest
the
salary.
fourth and the fifth highest salary. So what will you do? Means I need to fetch two rows.
Yeah. Limit two.
The first should have the product which is having the fourth highest price, and the second one which is should have the product which is having the fifth highest price. Okay.
Fourth highest. Okay. Fifth and fourth. So
Now why are you writing limit one? Because there are two rows to be
yeah, two
fetched,
rows,
no?
right? Yeah, you told me.
So that's right,
Offset.
limit two.
Offset. Offset. First, we need fourth highest salary, and second, fifth highest salary.
Fifth highest salary.
Fourth highest salary. Fourth highest salary. Two.
So above fourth highest salary,
Hmm.
how many rows will be there? First of all, you haven't arranged
Three,
the
three,
table
three,
in
three,
descending
three,
order.
three.
You have to arrange the table in descending order. Then only the table will get arranged from the highest to lowest price.
Sir, limit to offset three, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But you have to write order by price descending. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Offset three and offset four.
Wait. So you are writing order by price descending, isn't it?
Yeah, descending highest.
So the like according to the question, because it is arranged in descending order, so the top row will have the fifth highest, and the bottom row will have the fourth highest. Okay.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah, understood.
So above the fifth highest row, uh, you can do one thing. You remove that descending. Remove that descending. Ah, you have written limit 2. Now you can write offset 3.
Okay.
Okay, if you remove the descending, it means the table has been arranged from like lowest price to highest price. So the top row will have the fourth highest price, and the bottom row will have the fifth highest price. So above the fourth highest price, there will be three more rows,
Three more
isn't
rows,
it?
isn't it?
So that's why you have written offset 3.
Okay.
And limit 2 you have written because you have to fetch two rows.
Two
That
rows.
is uh, that is having the fourth highest price and the fifth highest
Yeah,
price.
because you
So
asked
this will be the answer.
two rows, fourth and highest
Yeah,
price. So
yeah,
we will use two limit.
yeah. So run this. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, got it.
So
Okay.
you need to practice this thing. Okay.
Okay.
Because this question will come in, may come in the interview. The interviewer may ask you that
Limited.
in an employee table where you have employee ID, employee name, employee's designation, employee salary, you need to find fourth highest salary of the employee. You need to find the details of the employee which is having the seventh highest salary. So this type of question they will ask you in the interview, and you should not get confused at that time. Okay.
Practice. Okay. Everything need clear.
Yeah, you need to practice these things.
Yeah, I
Okay.
am practicing day actually due to audit because we have some audits in company, so that's why I was not able to practice on daily basis. Now in from 2 or 3 days I am practicing daily.
Yeah, okay. Now okay, let me tell you about aggregate functions. Okay, please write the topic in your notebook. Aggregate function, give a comment here, write minus minus at the end. Arre,
Okay.
in the line number 70 only.
Okay.
uh, you remember I have told you how to give a comment, minus minus,
Yeah,
using
but
minus minus. Yeah,
minus my at the end of line query
at the start and at the end also.
start.
Okay, so you give minus minus. Now write aggregate function.
Aggregate.
Function, again you give minus minus. So this becomes a comment. Okay, now go to the next line. Now write in your notebook, uh, aggregate functions are those functions
Those function.
where we have a single output value for multiple input values. You written?
Yeah, I have written.
What you have written? Read it.
Aggregate function are those function where we have single output value for multiple input value.
Okay. Now write, for example, sum, count, max, mean, and average.
Okay. Some, okay.
Okay, so let's say there are 10 items. Okay, there are 10 items, and for all the 10 items, we have some price of those items. Okay, now if you find the sum of those 10 items, so you will get a single output value. Okay, and the 10 items are the input values. So for 10 input values, you got only a single output value.
Single
So
output value. Okay.
yeah, so this sum is an aggregate function.